guess he's playing Fortnite. Turn it down a little bit.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system.
I'm gonna turn up the TV. Can you turn on your switch?
Including Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah, and Washington counties in Oregon, and Clark County in Washington. With the cooperation of public safety broadcasters and cable operators, this system informs you of events that pose an immediate threat to your life, health, or property. If this had been an actual emergency, official information would have followed the alert tone. This test was originated by
Oh, wait. Let's see if I can replay stuff back here. I just gotta wait for the TV to turn on. And it takes forever to turn on. Please, don't be stuck on just the... Oh, hey! Oh yeah, there's blue. I'll capture this one then. I'll replay it back. I hate how it's stretched like that. It bugs me. I can't fix it though, so. I wonder if we switch back, would it do the robot voice or would it or the same voice if it captures it?
Clackamas, Columbia, Multnomah,
Washington counties.
Oregon, and Clark County in Washington. With the cooperation of public safety broadcasters and cable operators, this system informs you of events that pose an immediate threat to your life, health, or property. If this had been an actual emergency, official information would have followed the alert tone. This test was originated by Clackamas.
Yeah, it cuts off. Huh. Oh, it's iPaws! Not your paws. These iPaws. It's iPaws! I've never seen them originate a message from iPaws in maybe 6 months. But hey, well, then the rest of it's just frickin' green bar. What are you doing? Get them scratches. Yeah, so it's just green bar. Yep, and then it does it again. Yep, and that's that. Awesome, that's a test catcher I totally did not plan for, even though last week on the, let me check my phone, I have a date of when it was supposed to be. Let's check. On the 7th, it was supposed to be an EAS RMT. So I guess this is the rescheduled. Oh, no, wait, this is September. I need the 7th of this. Yeah, it was supposed to be an RMT. But then I guess it rescheduled to the 13th. Even though, yeah, I didn't really capture it. So, well, that was unexpected. I'm trying to eat breakfast over here. So, yeet!
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Turn this off. And turn this up. Or they're not going to tone. They're not just going to tone. Huh. So you're not going to tone. Okay, yeah, you just didn't tone. That's really great. Alright, let's go get the weekly for Noah. It's about, where's the phone? It's about 3 minutes till, so let's go get it. Alright. Let's see if Portland tested. Alright. Yeah, there they go. There we go.
National Weather Service Office in Portland,
Did I scare you, Mia?
was a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Next, we now return to our regular programming.
Dog, move.
Forecast for the
Done. Is there a light? I never see the light. Yeah, there's the light. I never see the light because I'm always in the sun. I might move it. But of course, I keep it right here because my PC's right here. And that's my monitor. So, and whenever I'm not home, sometimes I like to take it to record it and such. And whatever test is done, woo. Let's edit.